In this playlist, I will show you a project that I have built using anti-gravity. So this project is called as OpenCampusPro. So OpenCampusPro is a student management slash university management slash college management program. So this particular student management program deals everything related to students, teachers, batches, courses, fees, attendance, everything. So I'll just give you a small glimpse of how the application looks like. So this is the dashboard, this is the students, this is the teachers, these are the courses, batches, marks, okay, attendance and fees and report and many more. Okay. So why I built this project? So this project was there in my backlog for a very long time. So this is like one of the classical projects that I wanted to build apart from the library management that you have seen in the playlist. So if you have not checked the library management, I do encourage you to go and check it out. So it's a very basic and very simple coding exercise that I did in my leisure time. So the library management system, it doesn't have any UI, it is using the CLI. So it is a very good project for the students who are in their 10th or who are in the 11th or 12th. Okay. And even people who are learning in the college, even they can use a particular project. But this specific project is a little bit on the advanced side. Okay. So at this current phase, this is like a more of a college levels project on a slash an university level project. So I'll be adding a lot on top of it, like the support of Dockers, the support of maybe an MCP server, to make it more enhanced. And I have shown you the dashboard and you are looking at it, and I have all the videos recorded. Okay. I will start with the installation and setup. That might take a little bit of time, and then I will explain you part by part, one by one, all the sections present in it. And at the end, I'll tell you which is the point at where we will be breaking. Okay, like the advanced part, like the maybe we can Dockerize this. I mean, a pretty simple thing to do it, to Dockerize it. Maybe you don't require it, but I will show that part, how to Dockerize it, how to add an MCP server onto it, because it's it's an era of AI and we should be using MCP server. So I hope you will enjoy the playlist. Okay, I have shared the all the details, like how you can pull it, how you can install it, how you can set it up, how you can run it up. Okay, the application I have built using what was there in my mind, my requirements, like how I planned it to be. The user interface that you were seeing is how I wanted it to be. If you want to change anything, just go ahead, pull it and change it. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this playlist. Okay, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming playlist.